Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find hotspot. By tapping on this button once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, you can hide your device, you can change security protocol, you can change its password, you can extend compatibility, you can manage devices, set up maximum amount of allowed connections, and you can set up timeout settings. Also you can, and that's it. That's all settings for this mode. Yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.